Dandelions are often seen as pesky weeds, but they are actually nutritional powerhouses. These humble plants are full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. For centuries, people have used dandelions for their medicinal properties. Modern science is now confirming many of these health benefits. Dandelions can be eaten raw or cooked. They are delicious in salads, soups, and teas. Dandelion greens are best in early spring when they are young and tender. The flowers bloom later in spring and can be eaten or used to make dandelion wine. Dandelion root is available year-round. It can be roasted and ground into a coffee substitute. The leaves, flowers, and roots of the dandelion plant offer a wide range of health benefits. Adding dandelions to your diet is a simple way to improve your overall well-being. Dandelions are packed with essential nutrients. They are an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K. These vitamins are important for vision, immune function, and blood clotting. Dandelions are also a good source of several B vitamins, including riboflavin, thiamine, and niacin. These vitamins play a vital role in energy production. When it comes to minerals, dandelions don't disappoint. They provide a good amount of iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Iron is crucial for oxygen transport. Calcium supports strong bones. Magnesium is involved in over 300 bodily functions. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure. In addition to vitamins and minerals, dandelions are rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. These free radicals contribute to aging and various diseases. The antioxidants in dandelions may help reduce the risk of chronic conditions. Dandelions have been traditionally used to address various health issues. They are a natural diuretic. This means they promote urine production, which can help flush out excess water weight and toxins. Dandelions also stimulate bile production, aiding in digestion and fat breakdown. This can be particularly helpful for individuals with digestive issues like constipation or bloating. Dandelions may also support liver health. The antioxidants in dandelions protect the liver from damage. They may also help improve liver function. Some studies suggest that dandelions may help regulate blood sugar levels. This is potentially beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. More research is needed in this area. Furthermore, dandelions have anti-inflammatory properties. They may help reduce inflammation throughout the body. This can be helpful for conditions like arthritis. Dandelions may also boost the immune system. This can help the body fight off infections and stay healthy. Adding dandelions to your diet is easier than you might think. Here are a few simple ideas. Salads. Toss young dandelion greens into your salads for a nutritious and slightly bitter bite. Smoothies. Blend dandelion greens into smoothies for a boost of vitamins and minerals. Sautéed greens. Sauté dandelion greens with garlic and olive oil for a simple and tasty side dish. Dandelion tea. Steep dandelion root or leaves in hot water for a soothing and detoxifying tea. While dandelions are generally safe for consumption, it's essential to be aware of potential considerations. If you are allergic to ragweed or other plants in the daisy family, you may also be allergic to dandelions. If you are taking medication, consult your doctor before adding dandelions to your diet. They may interact with certain medications. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also talk to their doctor before consuming dandelions in large amounts.